So hello everyone, what's up? Today I will show you the best Minecraft launcher on Android. This launcher is called Zenith Launcher. It was once very popular, but for some security issues found because it was made by China, people lost interest in this for a while, but it, it was just some suspicions. As far as I know, there wasn't any confirm notice about this that it is harmful to use security on your device. I have using it for years. I have no problem with this. It is great for mods, shaders, and resource swag installment, and it also gives a great FPS. It is not available in Play Store. You have to install it from GitHub. Make sure to do everything I did step by step to install it from GitHub. And to I think it's really safe because I hasn't encountered any security issues with this. But still, if you don't want to try it, then as you can see, it's already have installed, and I will show you how to set up this. I have already installed it. As you can see, you can log in and select a version, go to versions and select a version and go there. Go to I will use neoforge as example, but you need fabric. If you install fabric, then install fabric API. If you install quit, then install QSL. Optifine is optional, by the way. You don't need that, it's optional. You can also use sodium without any problem. As you can see, I am installing neoforge. I've already installed that, so I have to I have the same name, so I have to change the name. Okay, I will name it C. Then it will start downloading. And one more thing you should know, renderer is very important for this. You have to select a specific renderer, or it may not work on your phone. Some mods doesn't work on some specific without some specific renderers, and some there was a friend of mine who installed that, but none of the renderers worked. So I told him to install mobile gus from GitHub, and it worked perfectly. It gives me 100 and plus fps with sodium. Mobile Please install mobile gus renderer. uh, you can find a lot of tutorials on YouTube. As you can see, I am marking it too. Looks like my installing is complete. It's loading now. Let it load for a while, and I will absolutely suggest to install that renderer, or else this launcher may not work on some low end devices. I'm using a mid range devices, so it will probably work on my device. It works on my device. A friend who has a low end device doesn't he in his phone it doesn't work, but after installing mobile renderer it works. So I will recommend that. Watch some YouTube tutorials for that. So it is downloading. One more thing you should keep in mind, a lot of you guys are asking me to make a tutorial on how to install mods in mojolauncher, but the problem is I don't know myself. The last time I installed mods on pojavlauncher, it was a long time ago. After that I switched to Zenith Launcher. So yeah, and by the way, I'm a bit nervous, so my English is kind of bad. That's my problem, sorry. Don't cancel it, let it load for a while. It will complete itself. I will meet you after it's completed. And by the way, I will try to install create mode on this. Create mode may not work on many devices, but in my device with the renderer it works, so I will try using that. As you can see, my installation is done. So I will go to and select the version of Forge, then go to downloads, and you can select what mod loader do you want. I will pick moderate, and I will also select fabric neoforge and select the version 1.20.11. As you can see, I have also sodium. If it automatically it also works, sodium also works on this without sodium patcher. If it automatically bring me to the correct version, then I will try to install Create now. So I will search Create now. I am uh, I am recording the body after the video, so it's maybe there may be some problem, and my English is not so good, by the way. So after all of this is done, go there, make sure the mobile GWS is installed. As have I have told you that it is really important. You can found YouTube tutorials on this, or you can just exactly how I install Zenith Launcher. You can install it from GitHub by the same way. In the same way, I will recommend watching some videos. As you can see, I have started this. You can make your own control layout. I am using a custom control layout. All the white, everything there section white is the custom layout I add, custom buttons I added, and everything else is normal as default. So as you can see, I have two layouts, is one for mods, one for normal vanilla Minecraft. You can create your own, and these things also allows you to show FPS and your memory storage. If you want to see, let it load for a while. You can click on the settings, then check the log output to see what's going on. Okay, I will speed it up for you guys. There is a message saying Trade does not support pojavlauncher. By the way, Zenith Launcher is a port of pojavlauncher, just like mojolauncher. So I will show you how I will show you that this more all of the steps work. Um, you don't have to do the exact settings I did for a creative super flat world. You can just make a normal survival world and play on it. Ignore my settings, by the way. And you can also see that there is a button in the settings tab. You have to drag it in some drag the settings tab if you want to. You can turn the FPS on and memory on, as I already told you. That's all. The rest of the video will be a demonstration, and the settings I use is not really important or necessary at all, so never mind, and I will fast forward it to you.